Hello students, I have completed the syllabus of class 11th and 12th and now I am taking the numerical questions which have been asked in NEET exam 2020. So because there are 45 questions in this exam of physics, out of them I will take 9 questions daily so that one paper could be covered within 5 days. And you know that all the 45 questions cannot be done in a single day. This will take a very long time, so many hours. So keeping in mind the time, I have divided that the questions, 9 questions daily, and I will tell you the solution of these numerical questions. So you listen carefully, watch the video completely so that you could understand that how to apply the numerical questions. In NEET exam, the questions are based upon your understanding and concept. They cannot be solved if you have learned them, because any numerical question cannot be learned. On a single formula there may be number of numericals based in the different ways. So I am taking first the NEET exam 2020 physics numericals. This is the heading of the questions. So first I take the color code of resistance. Is given below. Here we are given a carbon resistance, the first is yellow, second is violet, third is brown, and this fourth is gold. Now your options are number 1, this is now 470 ohm 5%. Second option is 470 kilo ohm 5%. And third option is 47 kilo ohm 5%. And now your fourth option is 4.7 kilo ohm 5%. So what you have to find the value of resistance. You are given to this, and now you have to find the value of resistance according to these colors. And whenever we are given this color codes, then this should be remembered in the mind that these colors are read from left to right. And for naming for this numerical values, we must know the series of color code. Solution: B, Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. These are the name. This is the black color. This is black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, and this is the your green color, gray, and this is white, gray and white. This is series given the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So how to find? First is given the yellow color. So for yellow we are having 4. So the resistance equal to 4. Then violet is 7. And then brown is given to be 1. So this is 10 raised to power 1. And then gold. For gold it is now 5%. The tolerance is 5%. So this is 470 ohm, 5%. So option is, right option is now first. This is 470 ohm, 5%. So answer is your first, 470 ohm, 5%. This is the solution of this question. And now second question. Find the torque. Find the torque about origin. About origin. When a force of force of 3J Newton acts on a particle whose position vector is vector is 2k meter. And now your answers, options are given. First option is 6k Newton meter. Second option is 6i Newton meter. And third option is 6J Newton meter. And now fourth is minus 6i Newton meter. You have to choose the correct option. So how to solve? torque, this is equal to R cross F. This is by definition. And now this is equal to R is given to you 2K cross F is given to you 3J. So this is 6K cross J. K cross J, this is equal to minus I. This is minus 6I Newton meter. So your answer is to this one, 4th minus 6I Newton meter. So you see that this is a very short question, not to be very large. Just you find the cross product, that will be the answer, and then you tick the right option in the question paper. And now I take taking the third question. A cylinder contains hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas at pressure 249 kilopascal and temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Its density is you are given the value of R equal to 8.3 joule per mole. K minus 1. This is given to us. You have to find the density of the hydrogen gas which is filled in a cylinder having the temperature pressure 249 kilopascal and temperature 27 degrees Celsius. So how to solve to this one? Now options are, first option is 0.02 kilogram meter cube. Second option 0.5 kilogram meter cube. And third 0.2 kilogram per meter cube, and fourth is 0.1 kilogram per meter cube. You have to choose the correct option. Now solution. Clearly you are given the temperature and pressure, you have to use the gas equation. PV equal to RT. So V equal to RT upon P. Now here this R is given to be 8.3 T is 27 degrees Celsius. So now in degree Kelvin, you add 273. So this will be your 300. 300 upon P is given to you 249 kilopascal. Kilo means 10 raised to the power 3. So now what? Just to solve to this one, then we will this point, then this will be 0. So this will cancel by this one, this cancel by 2, and this will cancel by this one. So now remaining is 10 raised to power minus 2. This is now your remaining minus 2 kilogram per meter cube. But no answer is given like this. So what? This is the volume meter cube, and now you have to find the density. Density rho equal to m upon v. M the molecular mass or molecular weight of the hydrogen gas, and hydrogen gas molecular weight is 2. So what this 2 is given here? This is in grams, 2 gram. You convert this into the kilogram. 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 upon V is given to you 10 raised to the power minus 2. So just you simplify to this one, then this will be 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 1. So this is now your 0.2 kilogram per meter cube. So now option is coming here. This is 0.2 kilogram per meter. This is the right option. So answer is your third. This is 0.2 kilogram meter cube. So in this way, just by having a little calculation, you have to find the density of the hydrogen gas. And now fourth question. Fourth question is two cylinders A and B. A and B of equal capacity. And are connected to each other by a stop or via a stop cock. A contains an ideal gas. A contains an ideal gas at standard temperature and pressure. At standard temperature pressure. B is completely evacuated completely evacuated. The entire system is thermally insulated. The entire system is thermally insulated. The stop clock is opened is suddenly opened. The process is number 1 isobaric, second isothermal, third adiabatic, and fourth the isoporic. We have to select the right answer. So first you have to read the question. There are two cylinders A and B of equal capacity, and they are connected by means of a stopcock, and A contains the ideal gas and B is completely evacuated, and the system is thermally isolated. This is thermally isolated. This is essential. Thermally isolated, insulated means that heat will neither be given nor taken from the system. So there is no exchange of heat at all. The stopcock is suddenly opened. The process is when there is no exchange of the heat between the system and the surroundings, then the process is called the adiabatic process. So now your right answer is third, adiabatic. Answer third. In such questions, first you read the question carefully and then try to understand that what is given, the main thing that is asked in the question, and then you write the answer and select the answer. This is the theoretical question. Although this is what the experiment that was done by the Joule. When the two cylinders were connected by means of stopcock, one was completely evacuated and one was filled with the second was filled with the gas, and the stopcock is opened suddenly. What happened? The pressure, the gas from one cylinder goes to another cylinder. Since there is no exchange of heat, it means the system is completely thermally isolated. So it means the process will be the adiabatic only. So when there is no exchange of heat, then this is the adiabatic process. And now I take the fifth question. Two particles of masses of mass 5 kg and 10 kg respectively are attached to the two ends of the rigid rod of length 1 meter rigid rod of length 1 meter length of 1 meter and negligible mass. Negligible mass. The center of the system from 5 kg. The center of mass of system from 5 kg particle is nearly at distance of number 1 80 centimeter, number 2 33 centimeter, third 50 centimeter, fourth 67 centimeter. This is the question and you have to choose the right answer. So the solution must be what? This is a rod 1 meter long. Here we have a weight so much and this we have the weight so much. This is your 5 kg, this is 10 kg and the length of this rod is 1 meter. Let this is the center of mass O. Let this distance is x. Then this will be now 1 minus x. This is the center of mass. This is what the definition of the rigid body, where the moment of mass is 0 above the origin. So we will have 5 into x equal to 10 into 1 minus x. So this 5 will cancel by this 2. So this is x equal to 2, 2 minus 2x. This is now your 3x equal to 2. So x equal to 2 by 3. So much meter. Now the answers are given in centimeter. So you have to convert this into. So this will be your 200 upon m upon 3 centimeter. This is approximately 67 centimeter. So right answer is 4th. So this is question has been taken from the chapter of rigid bodies. So answer to this question is 4th, 67 centimeter. This is the right answer. So in this way, just by having a little calculation based upon your understanding, you can find the value of x or the center of mass. And now 6th question. A ray is incident at an angle. A ray is incident at an angle. Angle of incidence I on one surface of a small angle prism, of a small angle prism. A and emerges normally from the opposite surface. From opposite surface, if the refractive index of the material index of material of prism is mu, then angle of incidence is nearly equal to, now first option is mu A upon 2, second is A upon 2 mu, third is 2A upon mu, and fourth is mu A. So this is what is given here. In case of prism, you must know that the angle is always measured from the normal, not from the surface. You know that if suppose this is the prism A, B, C, this is the light ray, this will be like this and this will go. This is the normal. These are the normal. This is the angle of I1. This is the angle of I2. And you know that this is the angle of prism A. Angle of prism A. And we know we know that I1 plus I2 equal to A plus delta. Delta is the angle of deviation. So now here this I is measured from this angle, and in question this is given that the ray emerges normally from the opposite surface. Normally from the opposite surface. This means this I2 will be 0 because this is the normal. This is normal. So this ray will go in this direction. Then I2 will be equal to 0. And delta equal to mu minus 1 into A. This we know. So when I1 equal to I and I2 equal to 0, normal emerges means this IT will be equal to 0 because this ray will go along this normal. So this is your I plus 0 equal to A plus delta. This is your mu minus 1 into A, and this is I equal to A plus mu A minus A. This A will cancel, so I equal to mu A. This they have taken. So reading to the question very carefully that where the ray is going, and always remember that this in question this is given that this ray emerges normally to the surface. This surface is given to you, then its normal will be in this direction, so this ray is going in this direction. So this I2 is equal to 0. I2 equal to, this is the main thing that you have to keep in mind. Then you can find this I is equal to mu A. So right answer is fourth. Mu A. So in this way, just by having the clear concept, you can solve this numerical. So this is the question number 6, and now I am taking the question number 7. Question number 7. A body weighs 72 Newton. Newton on the surface of Earth. On the surface of Earth. What is gravitational force? Gravitational force on it at a height equal to the half of radius of Earth. And now your options are: first is 24 Newton, second 48 Newton, third 32 Newton, and now fourth 30 Newton. Now first read the question. The body weighs 72 Newton on the surface of the earth. What is the gravitational force on it at a height equal to the half of the radius of the earth? And now what is that? Some of the students will confuse that here we are given the gravitational force, so they have to apply the formula F equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. Now from where to find the value of m1 m2 and from the value of r? So they confused. In place of r they write down the radius of the earth and this m1 is so much than m2. They all are confused in this way. So what you have to do, this is the weight, 72 Newton, this is the weight. The weight of the body is also equal to the weight of gravitational force of the earth. So first you have to find the on the earth surface. So how to find solution? W equal to 72 Newton. And this is what? This is equal to mg. This is on the surface. At a height, this is given. What given? Height. At a height. So W dash equal to mg dash. Let's suppose at height r by 2 of the radius of earth. This is given to so much. This is m, and in place of g dash you write down g into r upon r plus h whole square. This you must know that at the height the value of g dash is given by this formula. So in place of g dash you write down to this one. This is given mg. This is what the weight. This weight w 72 Newton. So this is now your 72 Newton, and this is now your r plus this is r by 2. This is now whole square. So this will be your 3r upon 2. 3r upon 2. So 2 this up on this side. So 72. Then this is now your 2 by 3 whole square. Then this is 72 into 4 by 9. 9 to 8. 8 into 4. This is now 32. So many newtons. 32 newtons. This is the right answer. So what? You have not to go in a very deep one. Just you have to understanding that this is given on the surface. You have to find the weight of the body at a height of r by 2. So apply the formula W dash equal to mg dash, and g dash is equal to g into r upon r plus h whole square. And then you solve. Put down the value and find the answer. So answer. This is now third answer. 32 Newton. 32 Newton. Now eighth question. Eighth question is an iron rod of susceptibility of susceptibility 599 is subjected to a magnetizing field subjected to a magnetizing field of 1200 ampere per meter. The permeability of the material of the material of rod is, options are, first, this is your 2.4 pi into 10 raised to the power minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere. Second, 2.4 pi into 10 raised to the power minus 4 Tesla meter per ampere. Third is 8.0 pi into 10 raised to the power minus 5 Tesla meter per ampere. And now fourth is 2.4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 5 Tesla meter per ampere. This is the question from magnetic properties of the material. You are given a susceptibility. You are given the magnetizing field H, 1200 ampere per meter. You have to find the permeability of the material of rod. So how to solve? You are given the susceptibility, so you must have the formula for susceptibility and the relative permeability. This mu r equal to 1 plus chi. This is the formula. Mu r is equal to mu upon mu naught equal to 1 plus chi, or mu equal to mu naught into 1 plus chi. This is the formula. This we know. Just you convert this, and then you will find this is now your 4 pi into 10 raised to the power minus 7 into 1 plus chi, 1 plus 599. So this is your 4 pi into 10 raised to the power minus 7 into 600. So this is now 24 pi into 10 raised to the power minus 5. 2 will be less from this one, so this is 10 to the power minus 5. But there is no answer like this one. Answer is given 2.4. So if we make it 2.4, then 2.4 pi into 10 raised to the power minus 4 Tesla meter per ampere. So 2.4, this is the right answer. 2.4 pi into 10 raised to the power minus 4 Tesla meter per ampere. This is the correct answer. So answer should be what? Answer is your second. This is the right option. Just little calculation, you are getting the answer. So this is what the permeability of the iron rod. And now I am taking the 9th question. Light with an average flux. Average flux of 20 watt per centimeter square falls on a non-reflecting surface. Non-reflecting surface at normal incidence at normal incidence. Having surface area of 20 centimeter square. The energy received by the surface, surface during time span of 1 minute is, and now your options. First option is 48 10 raised to power 3 joule. Second is 10 into 10 raised to power 3 joule. And third is 12 into 10 raised to the power 3 joule. And fourth is 24 into 10 to the power 3 joule. So much are the given answers. You have to choose the correct answer. So solution. Here first we have to see that the light is falling normally on the surface. It means that this is falling like this way. This is the surface and light is falling like this one. So there is no oblique incidence, so you have to take that directly. You are giving the flux in so much. So what is given, that is hidden in this given value 20 watt 1 centimeter square. So this is given the flux. So power will be how much? Power. This is now your flux into area. Flux is 20, area is 20. This is centimeter square. This is also given in centimeter square. So no problem. They will cancel. So this is your 400. So much watt. And watt is given to you. Power is given to you. You have to find the energy received in 1 minute. Then you apply the formula of power equal to work upon time. Power equal to work upon time. Power is given to you now 400. Work you have to find out. Work is what the energy. Time is given to you 1 minute. 1 minute. You convert this into seconds, so this is now 60 seconds. So energy will be how much? Energy equal to 400 into 60. So this is now your 24 into 10 raised to the power 3. So you are now find to here 24 into 10 raised to the power 3. So much joule. This will be the right answer. So fourth is our correct answer. Fourth, 24 into 10 raised to the power 3 joule. So what do you see? Just be having a little calculation of this formula, you can find the answer. So thus you see that these numerical questions are not too long, too hard, too sophisticated that you cannot solve them. What happens? That when the student studies in 11th and 12th class and he has aimed to face the NEET exam, then what will he do? that he will do the numerical questions of very hard, very complicated, which are useless. They are not being asked in the NEET exam because we are having a very short time. You see that one question must be done in 1 minute. We are having only 30 or 45 minutes to complete this 45 questions. So now you can understand that how much calculation must be required for the solution of the given numerical question. Just applying the simple formula, you just calculate them and then find the answer. This is all based upon your understanding, application and the concept. So if you know it, then you can do the numerical questions. Today I have taken the 9 question. There was one more question, that question 10th that I have left here. That was from the transistor. So I have left because that was only theoretical question. So I have left it. And tomorrow I will take next 9 questions. So you all watch the video completely and try to understand what is given in the question and how to solve them. So you all like, share and subscribe this video, and also ask to your friends. So we are preparing for the NEET exam and they have to face this exam in 2021 just after some days. So have this video and you like, share and subscribe, and also tell to your friends who are also trying to crack the NEET exam 2021. Thank you very much.